Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurul Izzah binti Zulkifli and from group HM112-2DB. So from this video, I will tell you about pasteurization of milk. Continues for this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Pasteurization is a process of heat treatment for a short time to kill part of the microorganisms and pathogens present in the food and beverages. Pasteur comes from the French scientist named Louis Pasteur in 1864. The basis of pasteurization is that when heat destroys inactive some protein, including enzymes that responsibility to the food spoilage or beverage. The examples of pasteurized products include dairy products, fruit juice, canned product, wine, beer, and of course milk. Raw milk is milk from cows, sheep, or goats that are not being pasteurized to kill harmful bacteria. Raw milk also can cause foodborne illness and be especially dangerous to people who has weaker immune systems, children, elders, and pregnant women. While pasteurization of milk is a process to kill harmful bacteria by heating the raw milk at specific temperatures and at a set period of time. Pasteurization of milk also kills harmful organisms that are responsible for such diseases as listeriosis, typhoid fever, tuberculosis, diphtheria, Q fever, and brucellosis. There are two types of methods of pasteurization for raw milk. First is HTST method, or known as high temperature short time. This method is when heating raw milk at 71 Celsius for at least 50 seconds and then it cools very quickly at less than 3 Celsius. Another method that is also used, ultra high temperature UHT. It is a rapid or high when heating raw milk at least 137 Celsius in just 2 seconds and then cool at 3 Celsius. The benefits of pasteurized milk are to eliminate harmful pathogens and bacteria. Second, it helps extending shelf life and quality of milk. It can also lower risk of food poisoning from bacteria such as Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. Next, it can also help the body to absorb nutrients such as calcium. In the modern era, pasteurization is a process used to disinfect and inactive enzymes without reduced nutrients level in the beverages. This is to make sure that people safe to drink milk and enjoy it. Please leave a comment section below of what you think about this video.